Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Sunday, October 28th, 2018. The Krakatau volcano in Indonesia has registered thousands of explosions in the past few days, experiencing up to 600 per day, with lava flows now entering the ocean. On the 26th, the alert level was raised to orange at the Semi-Sopochnoi volcano in Alaska's Aleutian Islands after a new eruption ejected a column of ash 12,000 feet above sea level. Government scientists have classified 18 United States volcanoes as a very high threat because of the activity they are experiencing and how close they are to populated areas. This is the first update of this information since 2005. At the top of the list is Hawaii's Kilauea volcano, which has erupted this year, followed by Mount St. Helens and Mount Rainier in Washington, Alaska's Redoubt volcano, and California's Mount Shasta. 11 of the 18 high-threat volcanoes are in Oregon, Washington, and California. The volcano that may cause the highest threat to the public is Mount Rainier, as about 300,000 people are located on the downstream hazard zone. On the 27th, there was a magnitude 6.0 earthquake near Sicuiu, Romania, at a depth of 144 kilometers, with no reports of damage or injuries. This was the 16th major earthquake of October. On the 26th, there was a magnitude 6.2 earthquake near the Mariana Islands at a depth of 12 kilometers. Also on the 26th, hurricane-force winds and destructive hail hit parts of Lebanon, severely damaging vehicles, homes, and businesses. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page. And check out our sponsor, virtualshield.com. Keep your info safe from big data spies. virtualshield.com. Just click the link I left in the description to start your free 30-day trial.